My e-bike. Alright, everything's all set up what I need to be at. Off I go. I'm heading out to an area, to the beach. Gonna go ride, and maybe go to an area, and get on going. Taking my Action 4, and it's more of an e-bike friendly camera. Oh yeah, the Pocket 3 is not a motor friendly camera. You could put it on your car. It's the same as putting it on a bike. You could put it out the sunroof, put it on a bumper. You're gonna get some issues. Well off the ground does 20. Going up the hill, I'm doing 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 16, pushing 20. And we're gonna stay on this side of the road and go on down. Woohoo, man! Those bumps are killers. I had to get off that sidewalk. All right, we're gonna get on here because we're gonna go full speed up the bridge. So here we go. All right, we're over here. I've been in this area many years ago. Ooh, baby. Let's look at the horses over here. That's a zebra horse. All right, we're in a place called Fort Tilden. And we're able to ride around. Years ago, you weren't able to come here. Now we're able to go through. Wow, man, this is a great place. The only problem is you gotta pay to come across the bridge, but it's free to get into the park and maybe well worth coming over and seeing everything. You get to see the bunkers here. You see these hills on the right? They're bunkers. Oh, I gotta be careful of the sand here. Oh, dead-ended, man. That's about all as far as I can go, and you got the ocean right here. Man, they are surfing waves. Check out that small prop plane. You ever been in there? That's a bunker. And you can see over there. And now you used to be able to get in here and go. So they try to cover everything up, as you can see. Well, I don't have a flashlight, but you could get to see what it's all about, man. Oh yeah. We'll head on back. Not much more to see here. We're riding a park. I used to come here, I walked this whole thing, had a good time back in my days. The main entrance. Head on down to the end. All right, we got enough juice to get on home, get on back, had a good time. So let's get on out of here. Woohoo! Well, I'm going to slow down because of the sand. That's the only thing I'm afraid of. Let's cut around this turn. Take the little scenic ride out of here. Get on out.